Hello everyone, how's it going? Today we're making something really delicious and easy, cheesy tuna dynamite. It's simple, easy, and quick to make. Ready? Let's get cooking. Okay, for the first step, we're going to slice each chili in the middle and we'll remove the seeds from the inside to clean. Again, do that for each chili. Then we're going to soak the chilies in water for about 15 minutes to reduce the spiciness. Open 2 cans of tuna and then we're going to drain the sauce from them. Okay, for the next step, we'll pour our tuna in an empty bowl. We're going to crush it into smaller pieces. Then we'll get ready for the next step. Then we'll add the chopped garlic, then chopped onions. Next we'll add the chopped bell pepper. Then we'll add half a teaspoon of salt. Then we'll add half a teaspoon of ground pepper. Okay, next we'll make sure to stir well so that everything is mixed together. Again, make sure to mix everything well so all the flavors are fully absorbed. Take your time on this one. An empty plate, add a tablespoon of flour and then add a few amount of water to mix everything well. Then set it aside for later. The goal is to make it smooth and like a paste. We're ready for our next step. Get a lumpia wrapper, put it on the plate. Then we'll grab a piece of chili and put the tuna inside. Next, we'll add slices of cheese. Then we'll roll our lumpia wrapper. And before closing the wrapper, we'll add more of the flour paste so that it glues together, so that when we close the lumpia wrapper, it will stay shut. Now we're going to put the roll wrappers on the plate. And we're ready for the main event. So we're going to heat up some cooking oil in a frying pot. Then we'll place gently each lumpia wrapper in a pan. Again, take your time, make sure not to burn yourself, do it carefully, and we'll let it cook for a few minutes until it's golden. And we're going to flip gently and carefully each lumpia wrapper on the other side, and we'll repeat the same process. We'll let it cook for a few minutes until golden. Again, the goal is to make sure that both sides are fully golden. Take your time. For the final step, we're just going to put our cooked dynamites on the plate, and that's it. Our delicious cheesy tuna dynamites are done and ready to serve. It's crispy, easy to make, and delicious. Also great to share with family and friends. Thank you so much for watching Bistecs TV. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more delicious recipes. Don't forget to also comment below for any of your favorite recipes. Thank you so much. Cheers.